And in this week's Biden Watch, here's Biden's emotional response to the recent Trump shooting. President Joe Biden addressed the nation after an attempted assassination on former President Donald Trump at a rally in Pennsylvania. Biden expressed relief that Trump is recovering and offered condolences to the family of Corey Comperatori, who tragically lost his life protecting others during this shooting. That is very sad. The Secret Service swiftly responded, neutralizing the shooter who had opened fire outside the rally, leaving several others injured. Biden condemned the violence, emphasizing that such acts go against American values. He highlighted the ongoing FBI investigation into the shooter's motives and urged patience in letting law enforcement complete their work. Emphasizing unity, Biden underscored the importance of coming together as a nation during such challenging times. In an upcoming Oval Office address, Biden plans to speak further on the incident, emphasizing the need to uphold national unity amidst the ongoing investigation and recovery efforts. So, there's a lot of people out there saying that this was staged and all this craziness. Guys, a human being lost his life. Forget about political parties, forget about all of that. A human being lost his life. An innocent bystander lost his life protecting his daughter. So Corey actually lost his life. This gentleman, may he rest in peace. Regardless of what your political views are, left, right, mid-center, doesn't matter. This is absolutely wrong. I do agree with President Biden. This is wrong. It goes against American values. It doesn't align with what America is. Just because we have different stance on political views doesn't mean we have the right to take anyone's life or attempt to take anyone's life. As a country, we need to take a stance. We need to be praying for each other, for our country, and unity, guys.